Tango.
Teach me to dance. Teach me to dance.
So this is part 2 of our little mini-series on tango. In part 1, we talked about how to properly count the tango in terms of music and not rhythms. We learned that slow, slow, quick, quick, slow is not the proper rhythm. If you're dancing in rhythms, slow, 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 quick is more correct. In this video, we're going to talk about the basics of tango: forward basic, back basic, side basic, and the difference between draw and close. So, when we dance tango, most of us simply know the beginning step as there. But we don't consider that there are actually 3 different ways to start the tango: forward, backwards, and sideways. Moving now to the basics. Forward basic. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, 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 quick, slow. The backward movement many of you already know as corte. The backward start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 important things about the corte. One is you want to be careful not to lunge into the step. Notice when we did it, we did not simply fall into the corte. The lady walks straight forward, and then the man at this point redirects the step into the corte and continues from there. The second thing is, it's only the first step of the basic that's changed. It's only the corte. Remember that step number 2, that would be the lady's left foot, is a back step. So when we dance corte, this foot actually moves backwards. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very, very important. The last basic, the one you don't see quite as much, is the side step, or costado. Side, forward, forward, and draw. In the American tango, most of the time, when that side step is taken, you'll see it dance straight forward into the lady. Side, and then forward. Here at DK, we say there really is no reason for that side step unless we are dancing to the outside of our partner. If we are going to go outside partner, I naturally take the side step to create that movement or space to go there. So there you have your 3 starts: forward, backwards, side. When you finish, remember there's a difference between draw and close. Your tango draw is going to allow you to start off on the same foot, either forward, backwards, or sideways. When we dance the tango close, the man shifts the weight and now can do forward, backwards, or sideways with the opposite foot. So there you have it. Those are your proper starts and your 2 different types of close. Play with those. Refer to the first video in this little mini series, and then in the last one, in the next one, we'll give you a fun little pattern to play with.
Teach me to dance.